Hi friends, welcome to Boarding Adventure and another video in our Pacific Northwest travel series. This time we are sharing how to spend a perfect day or two in Mount Rainier National Park. I'm so grateful that at the time of our visit, we were greeted with a clear sunny day. The trails were open and clear of snow and we were able to see the mountain fully, take hikes, go to waterfalls and appreciate the epic views. Being just 2 hours from Seattle and what can be an excellent day trip or a weekend getaway makes this national park a very popular choice among residents and tourists alike. You can stop at Longmire Museum close to the entrance for local history and information, but we decided to head to our first pre-planned stop. Just a short walk from parking lot is the Christine Falls, which has a beautiful photogenic view with a spanning bridge above it. We were looking forward to reach Paradise, which is the main highlight of the park. On the way, the drive is beautiful with views of the melting glacier forming the Nisqually River and the tall standalone Mount Rainier in its full glory. Next, we took a short downhill hike to the viewpoint of Narada Falls, a beautiful fall nestled in a gorge. We could see a rainbow forming at the base of the falls. Upon reaching Paradise, we parked at the huge parking lot overlooking the mountain range and took the family-friendly Nisqually Vista Trail, an easy 1.2-mile loop lined with wildflowers, a great place to spot some black-tailed deer, and has excellent close-up views of Mount Rainier and Nisqually Glacier.
I've been let down by yourself so many times, but I know to runs don't make things right. Let's try.
The next parking lot is where the well-known lodge Paradise Inn is located, a great place to stay if you manage to get reservations way in advance. We took the Skyline trail from here to Myrtle Falls. The entire Skyline loop is some 5.5 miles, but we took a short scenic hike to Myrtle Falls. The hike to Myrtle Falls is a must-do thing in the park. It provides a classic view of Mount Rainier with a bridge in front and a waterfall draining below. Undoubtedly our favorite view in the entire park. This hike is also a great place to see some wildflowers, berries, and subalpine meadows with a backdrop of Mount Rainier. Reflection Lake is a quick stop to soak in the wonderful view and photograph Mount Rainier with its clear, crisp reflection in the lake below. Situated at a high elevation and open seasonally, we took Stevens Canyon Road to explore the eastern half of the park. Our first stop was a short hike running along the creek or the overlook from the bridge of the Box Canyon, a deep narrow gorge carved by the river. Next on our list is the Grove of the Patriarchs, an easy, almost leveled hike passing through a thick forest with tall ancient trees. It was fun crossing the suspension bridge, passing over the clear blue river with the visible rock bed. This led to a wooden boardwalk passing next to massive Douglas firs, hemlocks or cedars, some nearly 40 feet in diameter and 300 feet tall. We felt so tiny next to these, but standing underneath their canopy was no less than a magical experience. It was almost sunset as we continued our journey north. Another quick stop in the eastern half of park is Tipsoo Lake with distant views of Mount Rainier and a calm lake with a rim trail. As an added bonus, something which we did on a previous trip and absolutely loved but couldn't find time to fit in this time is the hike to Silver Falls. About a 4-mile round trip, it passes through a fresh, fragrant forest lined with tall trees. After crossing some creeks and a moderate hike at the serene falls, it is a truly rewarding hike. The falls are voluminous and the surrounding nature is breathtaking. So guys, that was all from our time in Mount Rainier National Park. Make sure to check all our videos from the playlist and many others from around the world. We'll see you soon. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Boarding Adventure.